Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Soden here with some helpful advice if someone in your family sleepwalks. Sleepwalking is a mysterious behavior. Some sleepwalkers drive cars, eat, or simply change where they sleep. Almost 30% of people report sleepwalking, most as children, though 4% still take nighttime strolls as adults. In kids, sleepwalking doesn't generally signal a psychological or physical problem, but grown-ups who sleepwalk should work with their doctor to address what's preventing them from getting deep sleep. It could be sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or chronic stress. Here are some sleepwalking safety tips in the meantime. Seal windows. Clear floors. Install stairway safety gates. Banish bunk beds for kids. Also, keep a log of the time the child or adult falls asleep and when sleepwalking starts. Then for several nights, rouse the sleepwalker 15 minutes before the expected sleepwalk. Don't wake your subject up completely. Just disturb or change the sleep cycle, and hopefully nighttime strolls will end.